Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to speak about the USDCAD and the Eurocad. Okay, this is what I would like to share for this week on these two pairs. I see there might be nice opportunities on these two pairs. Okay, right. Looking on dairy on the Eurocad, I'm expecting that this will still come down and fill the gap. The gap here was not actually filled, so I'm expecting this to come to 152441. So 152441, that's where I'm expecting this to come to. So what can happen here on daily? We might be seeing this as what we call a hammer. Therefore, before you take this, we expect to see a bearish candle over here. After the bearish candle we've got over here, then on the next candle, that's where we take this. We're going to take a trade right on this level, which in this case will be nothing but let's check what price you'd be selling that to. You'd be selling that to 1,52859. That's where you'd be selling this to. Okay, this allows us to run all the way to the downside for a couple of pips down. Let's see how many pips should be running there to the downside. So it's definitely gonna start completing the correction about 300 pips, because you're still gonna have this bearish candle that you need to see forming over here. You need to see a bearish candle forming on the next one. You take this trade to the lower here. So it's up to you sometimes on what you want to use to take this trade to the downside into this level. Yeah. Okay. This low marked over here, that's the lower you're gonna trade to on the Eurocad. Okay. Let's go to USDCAD and see where you're gonna take this trade to. Right. It has been amazingly how the Eurocad and the USDCAD have been pushing up to the very, very aggressively to the upside, I must say. Uh, right. I've been looking at this as what we call the. You can look at this as what we call the. This is trading at the box between 78.6 and 88.6. This is a box of 78.6 and 88.6. You can see that they are busy pushing this to the high, running this high. There's a high that they are running here. They try to run. They might be forming some double top whatsoever, equal highs. Then they'll start to drop. Where do I look this to go to? Just go to daily time frame. Then you'll see where do I look this to come to, or rather 4 hour time frame. Okay, let's view 4 hour time frame and see where do I look this to go to. I'm looking at this to come to this level, yeah, to fill up this gap and come to the price that is 134267. 134267, that's where I want to see this coming to. Why? Because if I go to daily, it's an order block that I have seen over this area. So you can see that they are trying to show some aggressiveness. You might think that they are going up and they'll start dropping from this level over here. Okay, therefore you will see that over here they've led some kind of an order block that I've marked. So price will start dropping and come reclaim this block and go down as well. So that's what you can see forming over here. So giving us some three-wave corrective structure that I'm expecting to see over this region. Okay, therefore we might expect maybe another push to the upside over this area. So I'm expecting that this will come fill up this gap and also claim this other block. Okay, this will still remain as a reclaim order block that will be left here. Remember, I just said on the weekly time frame I'm seeing nothing but a cipher pattern over here. It looks complete. Price is trading into the box of the cipher pattern. That's where price is trading into. So understanding how this USD CAD works. So let's look definitely into the dollar index, what the dollar index is doing over this side here. Okay, it has been wonderful for the dollar. We congratulate them anyway. So the dollar index, I'm expecting a reversals from these pairs, guys. I'm expecting some more weakness on the dollar index. I'm expecting some more weakness on the dollar index. Here, I've been looking at an impulse. This is an impulse which was then later corrected here. It was corrected here. Therefore, the structure has been doing this structure here. And if I look at this structure on this side, it can be we can be looking at this structure as a what as an ABC structure. Therefore, now here they can give us an AB base pattern. This AB base pattern we can be getting here. This give us a fall. This is a fall that we are expecting to see here on the dollar index. Okay. Therefore, we are having this ABC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A over here, and a correction in three waves, which give us a B here. Okay, which give us a B. Therefore, we're expecting to see this structure that I'm seeing here. It's nothing but I'm seeing me use a different color. I'm seeing an ending diagonal that is acting over this region here. It's an ending diagonal. Therefore, what does it tells me? It tells me that this has been doing the 1, 2 here, 3, F4, F5. So that means your ending diagonal will be ending right at this point. Okay, therefore it's a 1 over here and a 2. Remember, this is a flat corrective structure here, which gives you a 2 and gives you a 3 and gives you a 4 here and the 5 that ends here. So right now the price is coming up and breaking this higher. You can see the price is trading up this higher, testing what we normally used to call a QML this site, right? And we are sitting on to the very beautiful levels of the QML. So I'm expecting that it's going to start dropping from these levels, because in terms of waves, it gives us an AB base pattern. What is an AB base pattern? We've seen an AB base pattern, structures like this. It represents the reversal that we've seen in the previous years on pound. Let me show you how the AB base pattern acted on the pound and how we've been looking at it on the pound dollar, regardless if this is going to show the structure. Okay, let's see if we see the structure. Okay, let's go to daily. We're going to be able to see it carefully, the structure. All right. Okay, ignore these triangles that you see here. I just wanted to see the structure. Therefore, this is how the AP base pattern looked. This is a correction that went all the way up to here. Up to this point, we've got a drop that dropped here, and then up that break the previous high. Therefore, that gave us the AB base pattern. Then after AB base pattern, we had what? We had a drop. So that's the same thing that you're gonna see on the dollar index, right? On the Usdcad, I've explained exactly what we need to see happening. So I expect to see dollar, this beautiful pair here starting to drop down. So you can think that this is pushing up higher. If you want to join it to the upside, you're welcome. But this can't do anything right now. Let's go and check the oil. Let's go and check the oil. You can see that the oil has left a lot of gaps over here. This is a TWI. Therefore, they are breaking these lows, taking all the sell stops. They can start moving to the upside, visiting this order block that we're gonna see this area. Therefore, the oil is telling us that we've got more upside to be seen on the what you call the the oil. And also this one here, we've break the low already. We've seen the low have been broken already on this one here. This low have been broken. They are hunting the stops, ready to push to the upside. We've left the gap open, coming to this other block over here. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. Therefore, if you can go just on this Brent crude oil, go to weekly, you'll see that the structure was beautiful. If you go to a trading view structure, you'll see that the structure there was quite beautiful in the trading view structure. Therefore, it's some kind of, let's go to monthly. You see the structure that looked more like the flag is a flag on the monthly time frame. So this is a corrective structure that we are seeing here. Okay, let's use this. corrective structure that you're currently seeing. Therefore, we're expecting this that to push all the way to the upside. That's what I'm expecting to see yet. Then we're gonna see what is happening. But let's go to back to daily and see, or weekly rather, and see, or daily and see what is happening. We saw some kind of QML structure that have been tested in this region here, but you can check that on the oil structure on the trading view. You can see it correctly. All right, that's what I'm seeing on the Usdcad. There's an update on it. CAD JPY, CAD JPY. As I said, I'm expecting some bit of a move on Usdcad that is gonna start pushing to the downside. Okay, it looks crazy right now. It looks very much crazy. Yes, but what I was expecting to this one, I was expecting that this is gonna start pushing up higher, giving us a complete structure. Therefore, we're gonna start anticipating it. This is a structure that I'm expecting to see. Structure A B C D. It's an A B C D E. This is it's an A B C D E. That's gonna complete over this area, and it can even push up higher, test this resistance over here before pushing to the downside. Therefore, mind this, take note of this. If you see this coming up, you might be seeing the cat, use the cat starting to drop as well. Okay, the way the USD cat, it looks so aggressively, it looks like it might it doesn't want to turn. But anyway, that's what I'm expecting to see on USD cat. I'm expecting to see this reversing, because all they did just now, a few minutes back, they've created a drop, created this higher, the group higher, coming now forming equal lows. Some of us, we would like to call this a double bottom, a double top whatsoever. Right, this is a double top that they have been forming, so I'm expecting that to stop dropping. Right, as I said earlier, that as they're gonna drop, remember, this is what, this is a reclaim block that they've left. It is gonna start doing this, claim it with a corrective structure, continue to drop, and come and claim this other block that I've mentioned to you. Claim it, continue to drop lower up until we expect this to see the lows down there. These lows, that's why I'm expecting this gap to be closed at. Okay, guys. All right, guys. Cheers. That's all from me. If you want to join Signals, you're welcome to join Signals. And if you join Signals, you have questions that you like to ask us, you're welcome to ask those questions. Okay, watch out for this double top. I don't know whether you're gonna press a sell over here, this area, push down or whatsoever. But I know if you press a sell here, then you're gonna start scaling out your profit once you get to these lows. Okay, expect this to start dropping, but I see that they're gonna run this upside and before they even drop to the downside. All right, guys, this is a video for today. I have a nice one. Cheers, guys. Bye bye. Enjoy.